Hello everyone, the purpose of this video is to understand a pulse generator. So what is a pulse generator? It generates frequency with different duty cycle. And what is a duty cycle? It has on time and off time for the pulse. So let's start with our video using a pulse generator. Here we are using a MATLAB version 2018 in and this is command window. So let's type Simulink. And press enter. As you can see a start page. Let's click on blank model. This is untitled Simulink page. Now we need a pulse generator. Anywhere on the screen type pulse generator. As you can see here. Click enter. It is asking us for amplitude. So I will put 1 as amplitude and press enter. So let's double click on the pulse generator and see what parameters we have inside it. As you can see a pulse generator outputs pulse if t is greater than or equal to phase delay and pulse is on. Y of t is equal to amplitude. We will consider a time-based pulse type. And amplitude we have set as 1. Here we need a period, so consider a frequency of 50 Hz. Let's calculate the period now. So for 50 Hz it is 1 by 50. Which is equal to 0.02 is a period, so let's type 0.02. And pulse width I will choose as 30%. So that means 30% on time and 70% off time of that pulse. So in phase delay I will put a 0. Press OK. Let's take another pulse generator. Let's copy it. And set the parameters for pulse generator 1. So for this, we will take a 100 Hz pulse. So for 100 Hz period is 1 divided by 100. Press enter. That is 0.01 period. So let's choose 0.01 here. And pulse width. As 50% it means 50% on time and 50% off time. Let's click on OK. As you can see, we have 2 pulse generators. So to show our output, we need one scope block. Let's type scope and press enter. So as we have 2 inputs, so let's take 2 input ports. Okay, so let's connect the scope to the pulse generator. Let's open a scope block. Now we have 2 pulse generator outputs. So we need 2 layouts. So for this, we will choose 2 layout from the settings. That is layout 1 and 2. Okay, as you can see here, we have 2 layouts for 2 different pulse generators. So we are ready with our model. Let's run it and see what we will get. As you can see, we have a pulse generator pulses at the output. So let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a little more. Now maximize it. As you can see the pulse generator 1 and pulse generator 2, now calculate the pulse by using cursors. So I'll choose a cursor measurement. As you can see here, the 2 cursors are available and the tray selection at the right window has pulse generator and pulse generator 1. So let's take pulse generator as of now and let's select this pulse here as on the screen. Yes, now this is done. Let's see the difference now. So 1 divided by delta t equals to 49.718 Hz. That is exactly 50 Hz is considered. Now first select pulse generator 1 and then select pulses as here on the screen. So let's calculate. You can see the frequency is 100 Hz, which is exactly equal to what we had considered for pulse generator 1. This was about the way of measuring pulses. Now duty cycle. So what is duty cycle? Duty cycle here means we have set 30% on time and 70% off time. So for below 1, 50% on time and 50% off time. So like this we can generate different pulses and different duty cycles by setting parameters in pulse generator. Thank you for watching this video.